Our next story could affect everyone. Just as temperatures begin to fall, there is a good chance your PG&E bill is about to go up. The utility has now asked to charge customers more than 20% more to improve the safety and strength of its system. NBC Bay Area's Ian Cull has much more on how much it could cost you.
Power may soon get even more expensive. PG&E has submitted a request to increase its revenue by 26% compared to last year. Today, customers we talked to weren't happy to hear their bills may be going up soon.
I mean, inflation is horrible as the way it is.
The jumps are ridiculous because I used to pay like $200-300. Now I'm paying $700 to $900.
PG&E needs the Public Utilities Commission to sign off on the price hike. This week, that commission sent back two counter proposals that would allow for smaller increases of either 9% or 13% instead of the large 26% hike. PG&E says the money is needed to reduce risk in gas and electric operations. That includes placing 2,100 miles of power lines underground to reduce wildfire risk. The utility also says it needs the funds to replace gas pipelines and further invest in clean energy.
But what we're trying to accomplish here, this work is going to make the system safer for generations to come.
What would you say to those customers who told me today we saw our rate skyrocket at the beginning of the year, and just when is enough enough?
You know, we understand that any impact to our customers' rates and bills can be challenging. We're working to reduce our own operational costs. Last year, we reduced those costs by about 3%. We continue to reduce those costs in 2023 and going forward.
Mark Toney is a utility watchdog for the Utility Reform Network, or TURN.
They have about a dozen proposals. This increase is the tip of the iceberg.
He also has been pushing for regulations to prevent utilities from hiking rates faster than inflation.
To say no matter how many increases you ask for, you got a limit, and you can't go above that limit.
By his calculations, if PG&E's request is approved, the average bill would go up around $56 a month, more than double what the CPUC was proposing. PG&E says it's still analyzing the numbers to determine customer impact.
PG&E's made enough money, and we're not paying for all their fire mistakes. That's their mistakes. That's not ours.
The PUC could approve one of the 3 rate hikes at its meeting on November 2nd. Ian Cull, NBC Bay Area News.